The Constitution of India. Preamble. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice. The Constitution of India provides justice to people of India in social, economic, and political. Liberty. The Constitution of India provides liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship to people of India. Equality. The Constitution of India provides equality of status and of opportunity and to promote among them all. Fraternity. Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual, the unity and integrity of the nation.